In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import LinkedIn contacts to HubSpot. If you want your LinkedIn network to live inside your CRM so you can track conversations, automate follow-ups, and keep everything organized, this walkthrough will get you there in a few simple clicks. Start in your HubSpot account. On the left pane, open the CRM menu and choose Contacts. This is your central address book in HubSpot where all people records live. From here, look for the Add Contacts option, then select Import. Import is what you'll use when you want to bring in multiple contacts at once rather than typing them manually. Next, choose Connect an App. This tells HubSpot you're bringing contacts in from another platform. In the App Connection window, use the search bar to look for LinkedIn, then click Install. You may be taken to HubSpot's Marketplace or a pop-up where you confirm the installation. Make sure you're logged into the correct LinkedIn account in your browser before you proceed, especially if you manage more than one profile. Follow the on-screen steps to connect your accounts. You'll be asked to review and approve permissions, so HubSpot can read your LinkedIn contacts data. Take a moment to confirm what's being shared and that it matches your organization's policies. If you're not an admin in HubSpot, you may need someone with the right permissions to approve the connection. Keep an eye out for prompts about which data to sync and how often, and confirm any security notices before continuing. Once the connection is successful, return to the import flow and choose LinkedIn as your source if prompted. HubSpot may guide you through mapping fields, so details like first name, last name, email, company, and job title end up in the right places. This is a great time to review for duplicates. HubSpot typically checks email addresses, but you can adjust settings if you see options for deduplication. You can also add a simple tag or set a contact property during the import to note that these came from LinkedIn, which makes filtering and reporting easier later. When you finish the import, HubSpot will confirm the results and show you your new contacts in the Contacts dashboard. If anything looks off, refresh the page, revisit the import summary, or open your connected apps to verify the LinkedIn connection is active. And remember, always respect privacy and only import contacts you're authorized to manage. That's all. You've connected LinkedIn to HubSpot and imported your network, setting yourself up for better outreach and cleaner data.